I don't recognize today myself.
Me and Huli. Vlog and enjoy. Ito yung Nestle na. Hindi ko magluluto pa lang. Naka-makeup ka. Good afternoon, guys. Hey, say good afternoon. Alas 3 na. Wala naman masyadong ganap kanina. Eto sila ngayon sa labas. Maglalaro dyan sa sa sprinkler. And si Jan, nandito na siya sa kanyang paboritong place kasi ang linis-linis na kanyang shed. So dito siya, kanina pa siya ditong umaga. What you been doing, honey?
Flying hole.
Yeah.
And my dam.
Oo, gumawa siya niyan. Ayan. Linagyan niya ng mga tali. And ayan yung mga hooks. Kanina pa siyang nalobat kayo, guys. Kasi yun pa yung gamit kong battery kahapon nung nag-film ako. Ayan sila, oh. Balik tayo dun sa shed ni Jan. Mainit ngayon. It's hot today.
Only 27 tomorrow. Is it 8 roll?
I think so. So, dito ulit tayo. Ito yung kanyang pinagagawa kanina pang umaga. Tingnan nyo yung mga hooks, guys. Ayan. You're fishing tomorrow, right? With who? James and Bryce. Are you gonna bring your boat?
Yeah.
So, ayan ang pinaggagawa. Di ba? Ang linis na, oh. Maaliwala. So, wala na yung mga nakaharang dyan. Andito na sila, guys. Naalala nyo to? Dati. Dito yan. So, ngayon. Ayan. Eto. Is this your favorite place now, Han? Huh?
No.
No. Why? Oh, this is your...
Place with you.
What? What? Again? I didn't hear it. What?
I said my favourite place with you.
Oh, thanks, Han. Narinig niyo yun, guys. Dito lang
All
siya.
that reflective tape on it.
Pardon?
That's reflective tape when the 5 lights hits it.
Ah, okay. So that's why you put sticker. Is that a sticker?
Yeah.
Mm. It's new. Is it new, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bago siya.
I've got a box from that.
You went to the mount today?
No.
Where did you go this morning?
I'll be texter ran outside to go up Bryce's and that's use his texter and then he give me that stuff there.
Oo, kasi narinig ko, umalis siya eh. Nandun sila, oh.
Yeah.
Hi, Papa! Hi! Is it fun? O, diba?
Got no water, have we?
No water, honey. Yeah. Kuha siya ng tubig dun sa dun sa shed ni Dad. Nice, Han. Can I show it to them? This picture? When you were young. Can I? Why? Why? Meron ditong picture si Jan. Ayaw niyang kita sa inyo. Lang, mabilisan lang. Tadan! Andun, guys. Hindi yan. Andito. Ayaw niya. Pag pinayagan niya na ako, ipakita ko yan sa inyo one day. Ito yung current na boat ngayon ni Jan. Tapos, ayan, yung mga andito, mga frame. So, yeah. Diba malinis na? Malinis na talaga, guys. O, diba walang kalat dyan. O, hindi na ako mahihirapan kumuha ng kung ano mang lulutuin ko. So, yung mga bata. And, tapos na ako mag-edit kanina. Uploading na siya. Kasi hindi na ako minsan lang ako mag-edit sa gabi, pero hindi ko rin naman tinatapos. Tinatapos ko siya pag umaga. Pero late yung vlog ko ngayon. Kasi hapon na. Uploading pa lang siya. Don't go there, Baba. Come on, Kuya. Kuya, stop it. Or you're done. May isasampay pala akong mga damit. Yung aking bana. Busy na naman siya. Kasi mag-fishing nga sila. Sana this time makakuha silang snapper. Han, you think you're gonna get a snapper tomorrow? Good luck. I hope so. Ang daming langaw. Tingnan nyo, ang lalaki ng bangaw. Oh. Bangaw yan, oh. Oh. So, linalagay niya dito sa dinghy. Ready na yan bukas. Mayroon pa ako ditong longganisa. Yun ang aming dinner tonight. Ito may isda pa ako, oh. Ito yung blue eye. Hanapin ko lang yung longganisa. Ito. Chorizo pala. Chorizo. Tapos ano pa ba? Chorizo lang ba? Yan ang chorizo. Tapos Siguro ito lang muna. Mamaya na lang yung iba. Kung ano pang. Kaya dyan kasi ang kakainin niya ulit ay yung aking ginawa kahapon. Gustong gusto niya yun. O yan, kuha na siya ng tubig. Kuha daw ako ng tinapay. Ito yung binili niya, oh. Yung manipis yung pagpahiwa niya. Yan. Tapos na sila. Tapos na sila, ma. It's alright, Papa. Was it fun?
Big one.
Big tuna.
Big.
Wow, how it's bigger than what you got last time? Ang laki ng nakuha niya.
He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. I got nothing to live for, but it all comes down to you. My anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. Trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. But it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never.
Ang laki ng nakuha niya before.
Do a bit of shark and then we'll. It's meant to get a bit windy, but
Tomorrow?
do some Chona after that.
Yeah, but I want a snapper, honey.
Said you want a Chona.
Yeah, but a snapper.
Well, it's the thing. You can't go order it. It's not given.
Yeah, kung anong ibibigay ng dagat. Dito na yung tubig mo, Baba.
Sweetie.
Did you look for chicken?
No chicken.
No chicken. Nagpapalamang sa kanyang manok na buo sa Shapola raw.
I'll get me big robs out.
Alright. Okay, see you.
Where's that going?
Bumili siya ng pizza for tomorrow. Baon mo? Ang baon niya raw bukas. Wow. Supreme. Family pizza. Yeah, that's for daddy. Andiyan pa rin yung package ko, guys. Hindi ko pa rin siya binubuksan. And magsasampay ako. Yung mga boys nandun sa shed, si Huli. How about you?
Fighting.
Huh? Fighting?
Yeah.
Where?
In the shed.
Are you sure? Kalalabas mo lang. Why are you saying they're fighting? No, they're not. They're here. Are you fighting?
Yeah, me and TJ and Dad.
Sinungaling ka, Zachary. Hindi naman siya nag-fight. Did you fight with Zach? Kuya?
We were arguing about the PlayStation because he always plays player one. And I don't get to choose.
I'm gonna hide that remote.
No.
Are you arguing?
He was to me because he never does two-play games.
Look at your shed, Han. Linis. Di ba? Tingnan nyo, guys. Is this
For tomorrow.
for tomorrow? Ayan yung dadali. Oh, you're not gonna bring the electric one?
No,
Why?
because I can't afford.
Holy! My God, you scared me, Hol. Akala ko papasok siya. Pinindot na ni John yung shot. You scared me. Come on, let's hang the clothes.
You you're gonna hang, it's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain? Oh, maybe I was just gonna hang it there, inside.
I'm gonna have a shower.
Go,
It's
ha?
hot.
Yeah, pero uulan daw.
Hot.
So, dito ko na lang siya sa loob isampay. Dito ko na lang isasampay kasi ulan daw bukas, sabi ni John.
Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if
So, tapos na ako magsampay. May araw naman. Pero baka kasi bukas umulan nga. And yung boys, naglalaro sila na. Huh? Did I scare you? Who's playing? Kuya and Zach?
Yeah, but
Okay, you're not fighting now?
yeah, we're finding PS4 not letting me play God of War.
Ito, joker talaga ito. Yung dalawa doon nagkakantahan. So, magluto na muna ako dito. Hoy, si Huli, nakita ko na ka. Ano na naman siya? What are you wearing?
Giants.
Oh! Hinarang ni Huli kasi. Why?
You see, Dad. See, Dad. He turned that They have no clothes in.
Oh, wala raw clothes si Daddy, so hindi niya ako pinapapasok. Yep.
Go there.
Oh, titingnan ko yung ano, yung aking inedit baba kong. Ay, inedit. Tingnan muna ni Mami yung ano. I'm not gonna vlog na baba. Yung kung ano na-upload na ba sa YouTube yung aking vlog. Tingnan niyo yung chocolate. Where's all the chocolates? Where's all the chocolates?
I've been stealing all mine.
Daddy, you've been eating the chocolate? You're not having it. Why? How many times you went to the toilet, Dad?
Wait.
3 times kasi ang dami yung kinain ng chocolate. Kahapon, tingnan ko yung aking in-upload. Walay pa. 54% pa lang. What are you doing? Lipstick? Hindi, yan ano sa yung kasi dry nga ang mga lips. Ako din dry din yung lips ko.
Feels so much better.
You feel so much better na. Ayusin ko lang to dito sa kitchen and magluluto na ako ng dinner namin. And eto, hugasan ko na.
Nail blow.
Later.
Got all about it.
Wala. Eto ba yung nabili ko sa Kmart. Hugasan ko yan. Then magluto na tayo. Ako pala. Kanina pa siya.
I was sending to the study store. Well, the Dios asked me. Oh, I got myself. And I was dead. You know what? If I'm thinking.
Kanina pa siya. Kinakausap niya yung mga laruan niya. Habang ako inaayos ko yung eto ba, mga plato dito. Yan naman siya. Diba? Pabalik-balik na. What are you doing now? A drawing.
This is a robot.
Is that a robot?
Yeah.
And ito yung sanitizer niya. Noon pa hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa rin siya...
phone.
Your phone. Hindi pa nabubuksan. Which is alright. Kasi hindi niya naman kailangan kasi nasa bahay lang naman kami. Okay? Pinapakita niya sa daddy niya yung kanyang drawing.
No, you've
Where's the
already
box,
escaped
Papa?
that.
Oh,
You've
wow.
already escaped that, remember?
Pinapainit na ni Jan yung kanyang dinner. And, tingnan nyo, mayroong dagang dumaan sa kanyang pagkain, oh. Kanina siguro mayroong kumurot nito. Si Kuya gusto niya rin sana to kaso wala na.
I want that. That's
Huh?
so hungry. Kuya,
Yeah, did you? Oh, si Kuya. Holy.
oh my god.
Initin ko lang to.
People, it's ready.
Daddy, it's ready, ah. And ginugupit ko yung aking Yung kahapon ba, yung mga side ng tinapay, ayan. Oh. May gagawin ako dito. What are you doing, Baba?
Some fork.
Ah, you're getting some fork for Daddy.
Knife.
Here's the knife.
Here, Mom.
Ah, oh, that's too small for Daddy.
Haha!
Wait.
Oh, thanks.
Wait.
Ah, sorry. Put it back, Baba. Put it back. So, eto nga. Are you done, huh? Katapos ko lang gupitin to. Tapos na rin siya kumain. How is it, honey? Yes. So, eto nga. Yung ano to, yung side ng yung crust ng sliced bread kahapon. So, gagawin ko siyang... Wait, Baba. Gagawin ko siyang vanilla caramel bread.
I don't have a shake.
Yee. Okay. Hindi ko inubos. Meron pa ako dito. Oh. Ilalagay ko to sa freezer. Kasi ito lang muna ang kakainin namin. Okay, wait, Baba. So, eto, nahugasan na to. At nabibinyagan siya ngayon. Dito ko lulutuin yung aking vanilla caramel bread. Yung naririnig nyo, yung air fryer, kasi linagay ko na yung chorizo. Pero pinakulang ko muna bago ko linagay sa air fryer yung chorizo. And, eto na pala yung aking, vanilla caramel bread bites. Ayan siya, guys, oh. How is it, Baba? Good.
Fire, Mom.
Sarap.
Stop eating those.
Ayan, guys. Wait, that's enough. You're gonna have tea first. Kanina pa siya.
Why you have to?
Ito yung dinner nila. Tigdadalawa silang longganisa. Tapos isang sunny side up egg. You're welcome.
Can I have my own suka?
Yeah, I have.
Suka.
You want suka too?
Can I be one and can you get always?
Okay. I'll put the suka here. That's yours. Gusto ni Sak na suka. Here, Baba.
Where's my?
Here, Baba.
Where's my suka?
Your suka coming. Wait. You can share with Kuya Sak. Oh, you sit next to Kuya Sak.
Again.
You share with Kuya Sak. What? You already have suka, Sak. Filipino sauce? Okay. So, ayan na yung kanyang Filipino ketchup and si Huli din. So, enjoy your dinner, kiddos. Okay, Baba, sit down properly, Baba. Huh?
That's it.
Me? No, I haven't, but the kids are. They're done. What are you doing?
Tighten off.
Huh?
I'll tighten these weights in the shed.
Oh, you're not done?
Yeah, it's in the shed, 2 seconds.
Oh, okay. Dito na si John. You're done, Han? Tapos na siya. Yung mga bata dito sa kwarto ni Holly. What are you doing? What are you watching?
iCarly.
Huh?
iCarly.
Ano?
iCarly.
Hi, Kylie.
I.
Ay. Kasi nanonood ako ng news. Guys, tingnan niyo si Holly. Let me see. No, that's the eggs, Baba. No, that's the egg.
Can I choose it?
No, look at your hair. Who done that?
By myself.
Let me see. Look at me. Ganda.
Thank you, Mom.
Ginawan ko yung kids ng churros. Hi, kids, come on. It's ready. And, careful, Baba, ha?
What's that?
The dipping.
Wait, is it spatula this?
No, kuya.
Ow.
Come on, Jack. Kumain din ako longganisa. Ano? Zero?
Zach, you're going to drip it, mate. Turn it upside down when you do it.
Good.
Crunchy and soft inside. Yummy, Baba?
Yeah, have it with ice cream.
What?
Have it with ice cream.
Ice cream. You don't have ice cream, Mom. We still have ice cream? Gana pa sila ng ice cream.
Mom, this tastes like ice cream.
No.
When you do it, Zach, turn it upside down.
Yeah, like this or like this. Is it like Melbourne, Kuya?
Where'd you have it in Melbourne?
Victoria Market. Remember?
Melbourne Market.
Ah, yeah, Melbourne Market. The Victoria. With Dan and Ray's, remember?
Them pizzas.
Yeah.
Remember that game?
What time are you leaving, hon? Honey, what time are you leaving?
This is very good, these ones.
2 o'clock? What time is it? 8:15, so you should go to bed.
Okay, look. It's a rainbow.
Wow.
Yummy.
Grab another ones with my sugar.
Turn it upside down, turn it down.
Not this.
Yeah, so done drip.
Well done, Zach.
Like this.
Oh, Holly, you're just making a mess.
Let's close. What movie is this, Zach?
Spider into the universe. Like this.
Spider in the Universe.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I'd make some
Universe.
snacks, some chips or something in a bag.
Pardon?
Ew.
Chips or something in a bag.
Okay.
Little treat.
Ew, that's gross.
What are you doing? Why are you dipping in the vinegar? Ah! You dip in the vinegar.
Stackaroo.
Kuya, can you get me water, please?
Hey, that was my top.
I-close na namin yung vlog, guys. May sinasabi siya. What's that, honey? May order siya sa akin.
Oh, Mom.
What's that?
Just cut them thin. Not
Hey,
thin,
that was
thin.
my singing.
Cheddar, that one?
Slice it over, yeah.
No.
Just thin.
Okay, naubusan na kami ng slice na yung cheddar cheese. So, yung gagamitin ko is yung para yung
cheddar cheese.
egg and cheese sa atin.
It's a rainbow.
Gusto niya raw ng Vegemite and
have
cheese.
to clean this up.
Yes, I am.
Not bad.
Good night, honey. See you. I might see you.
That's
Or-
seeing.
Fair, sweetie.
Yeah. Wait on.
I'm gonna get up before you leave. Okay? Okay, see ya. If I cannot get up, hon, good luck tomorrow. So, let's close the vlog, boys. Kids. Mauubos na, oh.
Good
Yan na lang.
night.
Good night, guys. Thank you. Please like, Baba.
Please like.
Leo, what are you doing?
How to see. See next.
Kuya, good night.
Cookie.
This is not cooking. Good night, guys. Thank you. Please
night.
like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next.
See you next cookie.
Okay, good night, guys.
Mom.
Oh, ang sarap nito. Tingnan niyo.
Look at my finger.
Yes, ayan, guys. Okay, bye. Night.
Dice, tell me who you see, 'cause